BioR stands for Biomolecular Restoration, which is a holistic medical approach we use to strengthen physical and emotional well-being. So there are some clients, they experience very good results with BioR concerning detox, weight loss, vital aging, because we aim the long-term success. And there are others, they profit from releasing their cardiovascular risk factors, high cholesterol, or maybe even some problems in the blood sugar values. And BioR as detecting or helping to detect underlying causes for psychological conditions such as anxiety, depression, even addiction, is also quite powerful in this domain. We all have our own biochemistry, which is quite different from one person to the other, as unique as your fingerprint. When there is harmony in our biochemistry, our body and mind, we feel quite contented and well. When there are deficiencies or metabolic stress factors, the body struggles to feel at its best. Now, when we experience such deficiencies, we may suffer from lack of energy or some low mood or anxiety, or even have problems to sleep well. Now with BioR, we have a tool to, on one hand, detect underlying causes, deficiencies, imbalances, and on the other hand, correct these with a very personalized, unique, bespoke nutritional supplementation based on micronutrients exactly for the needs of our clients, and this going along with tailored recommendation and plans for diet and lifestyle changes which will work in every individual environment, because also there considering personal preferences and sometimes very busy, challenging lifestyles. So BioR can be very effective on the long-term recovery and well-being due to two main reasons. Firstly, BioR helps to detect the underlying causes rather than a symptom, the underlying causes of discomfort. Is it physically, emotionally, or psychologically? Secondly, BioR is tailored to the individual needs, personal needs, so that the support is optimal for long-term recovery and well-being. That our weight loss and anti-aging are very important topics. Now, with BioR, we have a tool where we can influence the weight management in a way for efficient weight loss with sustainable success. Because diets nowadays, there are lots of diets, but they do not fit with individual preferences, environments, and that's why it does not work on a long term. We, with our BioR tool, we have, thanks to the individual approach and ongoing support by coaching in different ways, good success on the long term. And regarding anti-aging, there are some chemical or biochemical processes which affect our aging, which are glucosylation, oxidation, but also inflammation. Chronic silent inflammation is what brings our aging forward. Now with BioR, we have a tool to, on one hand, detect if there are some of these metabolic stress factors there, and correct and rebalance with specific micronutrients, but also changes in diet and lifestyle. Each client is different. So some clients may come to support their well-being in general, to prevent health problems and for anti-aging. Other clients come specifically for weight loss with sustainable success. Lots of our clients are very challenged persons in their professional life. That means spend a lot of time in their airplanes, at meetings, having dinners which are late, suffering from adrenal fatigue. And there we can offer solutions which work also in such an environment for long-term benefits on physical and emotional well-being. There are three important topics with the BioR. So on one hand, detecting underlying causes of health problems, which often lie in our complex biochemistry. So there are quite a range of lab testings that our experts are composing, are looking for every single person, involving blood, urine, saliva, hair, and other samples to detect what is missing, what might be deficient, imbalanced, or stress factors like inflammation, oxidation, I mentioned already. On the other hand, is for the correction, a tailored, very personalized nutritional supplementation based on specific micronutrients which are adapted exactly to the needs of the clients, and this going along with specific changes, specific adaptation of diet and lifestyle, but in a way that it works in every single individual's environment, because taking not only symptoms but also preferences and the context of every person into consideration. So diet is very important, is a very important part of, diet is a very important part of biomolecular restoration, or BioR. In fact, when there are imbalances or instability concerning our blood sugar values, this can be a reason why we feel nervous, agitated, or even depressed. So we carefully look at meals, combination of food affecting a balance or influencing our blood sugar in a way that it's quite stable, because our brain needs a constant flow of sugar, and it's important to avoid peaks or low values of blood sugar, because this is a stress for our brain. So we care very carefully or in detail for every client how can we succeed in setting up a daily diet allowing stable blood sugar, and therefore then also allowing a better weight management. When we look at lifestyle plan, it's very important to take into consideration how a person lives, and we are working with very busy clients having quite an ambitious professional life, lots of meetings. So we look at all aspects which are important to keep up in such an lifestyle, in such an environment with health. So it means diet, workout, but also a proper stress management. And taking into consideration also personal preferences and an environment which will not change. So we try to fit our recommendation to the client's environment. We work out with the client what will work also on long term concerning diet, which kind of workout. So some clients go to gym, but lots of clients do not go to classical gym, because, you know, standard recommendation do not fit, one size fits all. That's not our approach. So some clients have another solution there. They like to go for walks with their dog or other activities, as well as stress management. So we fit our recommendation to make them work around the client, his preferences, his environment, and that's why together with correction of certain biochemical deficiencies or imbalances, together with this to succeed on a long-term support concerning physical and emotional well-being. BioR is an effective tool, additional tool to detect underlying causes of feelings, triggering addictive or substance abuse. So when there are deficiencies, imbalances in our biochemistry, this can trigger strong cravings for substances which are unhealthy, such as alcohol, nicotine, or sweet food, or even trigger some compulsive behavior. So detecting this and supporting the restoration together with psychotherapy and other treatment, it is a very powerful tool in the field of addictions. So we experience quite lots of success in gain of long-term well-being with our clients. That's why we developed specific BioR programs, and these programs can be as in an outpatient. That means people come for lab testings and then profit from coaching and continuous support via email, phone, video conferences, WhatsApp, all tools we use for the coaching. Or we also developed some residential programs where clients stay in private residence villa with a very tailored program focused on the needs they have and the expectation they have, mainly detox, weight loss, improvement of their metabolic situation. In fact, what is important for us is long-term success for our clients. So when clients come for a treatment with us, this is simply the beginning. We care very much for the aftercare. That means clients can choose either coming back, which is best for follow-up, continuous care, or we offer also coaching, specific coaching via conferences, video conferences, phone, WhatsApp, SMS, so that they have also access and solutions in daily life when there are some problems or some concerns.